Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the trade recap from the trade that I took yesterday. As you can see, I hit 2 TPs. Unfortunately, my third take profit wasn't hit in this long position that I took yesterday. So let's just go over the confluences real quick. So as you can see, coming into market open, we were in a downtrend already. And we took out, even after market open, some of these hourly lows right here, some of the liquidity. I really wanted to see market also take out these relatively equal lows right here, as I was like thinking that this is a high draw of liquidity. And yeah, but nevertheless, overall my bias was bullish because of these low resistance liquidities that were resting up here. I was pretty confident that market will take them out, but eventually, as you can see, market didn't take them out, but also market also didn't take out these relatively equal lows right here that I for sure wanted to see get taken out. And yeah, before market opened, I was just waiting for a clean direction. And as you can see, when we opened, let's just scale down to the 15-minute. When market opened, we had a push down immediately on the 15-minute, the first 15-minute down candle. And I was like, yeah, okay, now we're heading definitely towards these equal lows down here. But the push to the downside was actually very weak, and we only swept out this 15-minute low right here. And whenever we sweep like internal liquidity, especially of 15-minute lows, I am scaling down to the 1 minute to see how market is reacting off of these key levels. And as you can see, we swept out this 15-minute low and got a pretty bullish reaction out of it. We broke structure immediately with this blue candle right here, and we formed a bullish fair value gap that we tapped in and got a bullish reaction out of it. Could have waited for I could have waited for the bullish reaction out of the bullish fair value gap, but I decided to enter directly off the break of structure because of my bullish bias. And I also saw on the 1 minute these clusters of highs, and I just wanted market now to go up to take out these highs and literally fake out everyone that was targeting these relatively equal lows down here. My first take profit was, I think this was a 5-minute low. This was also a 5-minute high, sorry. This was also a 5-minute high, and this was also a 5-minute high. So yeah, after my first take profit got hit, I closed 20% of my position and moved stops to break even. On my second TP, I closed out another 50% and just left the runner. Unfortunately, my third TP didn't get hit, and I think I ended up closing my position completely somewhere here because yeah, I was not willing to wait for so long, and I also had to go somewhere, so I closed my entire position somewhere around here for a pretty decent win, I would say. And also, if we scale to the 15-minute time frame again, we can also see that from this entire leg down, from this swing high to the swing low, we nicely also took out equilibrium. And I also wanted to secure some profit. That's why my TP was near the equilibrium, because this is a high probability turning point. So whenever I see like price in an overall downtrend, but I'm trading against the downtrend, I want to make sure that I at least take some partial profits when we hit the equilibrium of this entire leg down of this, because I'm trading actually here the correction. Yeah, I was actually, while I was in my trade, confident that we might even take out these highs up here, these equal 15-minute highs, but would have been probably a too strong move for the ES on a Tuesday. But as you can see, the following day, which is today, we took out this liquidity. So yeah, this was the trade. Relatively easy setup, I would say. We just had like in the end of the day, it was just a liquidity sweep with a 1-minute breakout structure that I ended off of. Kind of risky, to be honest, but with my strong bullish bias. And I wanted to see these highs get taken out. As you can see, we had, again, so much resting liquidity in this typical downstairs pattern resting above us. And I just wanted to see these liquidities get taken out by the market. And this is exactly what happened. So in the end, I guess it's all about market experience, strategy, and if you have watched these previous trade recaps that I also uploaded, you should also be able to already spot these entries. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. Hope you guys stay healthy. Hope you guys learned something. I appreciate you all. See you in the next trade recap. Peace.